Welcome class 11. Today we are going to discuss about the lending money. Now, lending money is the sub part of the primary function. Now, in our previous video, we had seen the primary functions, which is the functions of the commercial bank. The functions of the commercial bank has divided into the two parts. The first one is the primary function, and second one is the secondary function. So, we are dealing with the primary function. In primary function, we have discussed about the accepting deposit, which is divided into the two parts, demand deposit and the time deposit. In the demand deposit we have done with the saving account and the current account, and time deposit we have done with the fixed deposit and the recurring deposit. Now today we are discussing about the lending money. So in lending money, first we will talk about the loans and thereafter the advances. So we will today deal with the loans and the terms of the loans, short term loans, medium term loan and long term loan. So first discuss about the lending money. Let's start lending money. Out of the deposit accepted after keeping certain cash reserves, commercial bank grant loan and advances to the needy borrower. Okay, means advances to the borrowers contribute to the main shares of bank's profit. Okay, bank keep a small portion of its funds to in cash to fulfill a demand of depositor. मीन्स बैंक क्या करती है, एक छोटा सा अमाउंट जो भी उसने डिपॉजिटर से लेके रखा है उसका एक छोटा अमाउंट अपने पास रखती है, बिकॉज जो भी डिपॉजिटर है उनकी जो डिमांड होगी उसको फुलफिल करने के लिए. एंड द मेजर पोर्शन ऑफ द बैलेंस, और जो मेजर पोर्शन होता है डिपॉजिटर का, जो बैलेंस का मेजर पोर्शन होगा, मतलब एक लार्ज पार्ट, ओके, इज एम्प्लॉयड इन ग्रांटिंग एडवांसेस. उसको किसके लिए यूज़ करेगी, इज एम्प्लॉयड, मतलब उसको हियर द बैंक यूज दैट ऑल रिमेनिंग मनी in granting advances and loans which enable it to earn profit. Okay, safety, liquidity and profitability are the principle of good lending. Here has the bank has to take consideration of the safety, liquidity and the प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. मतलब उसको ये भी ध्यान रखना है वो जो भी पैसा लैंड कर रही है वो सेफ्टी के तौर पे होनी चाहिए, उसमें सिक्योरिटी होनी चाहिए, लिक्विडिटी होनी चाहिए और प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी भी होनी चाहिए. सो दीज आर द थ्री प्रिंसिपल विच इज़ फॉलोड बाय द कॉमर्शियल बैंक. Now here the commercial bank accept deposit at a lower rate of interest. Yes, here the bank accept deposit at a lower rate of interest because when depositor deposit money into a commercial bank, so commercial bank provide the rate of interest which is lower, वो lower होता है. And besides it's when bank grant the loan and advances to the borrower, so here the bank charge the high rate of interest. So here the difference of the depositors interest and borrower interest, means which interest banks are paying to the depositor and which interest banks charging from the borrower. So ये जो difference होगा, there is a difference of the interest, this is the profit of the bank. So generally bank grants loans and advances to the borrower in the following form. तीन फॉर्म में क्या करती है बैंक, क्या करती है, लोन से एडवांस देती है. सो फर्स्ट इज द लोन. लोन क्या है, अ लोन ग्रांटेड फॉर द स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड अगेंस्ट पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर एंड अदर मूवेबल एंड इमूवेबल असेट इज कॉल्ड द टर्म लोन. सो हियर द बैंक ग्रांट द लोन फॉर द स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड. जब बैंक किसी स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड के लिए लोन प्रोवाइड करती है किसी भी बोरोवर को, एंड ऑन द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द एनी गोल्ड, सिल्वर और एनी अदर मूवेबल और इमूवेबल असेट्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड द टर्म लोन. ओके, means here the bank take the security if borrowers are unable to repay the amount of the loan, so bank can recover the loan amount to charge the asset of the security. Okay, so an advances provided by the bank for a specific period is called the term loan, and amount of the term loan is deposited in the borrower's account. Interest on the loan is calculated on the full amount of advance, and the types of term loans are below. Okay, so now it has divided into the three parts. You can see the short term loan, medium term loan and long term loan. So first, these loans are provided for the period of not more than 1 year. The short term loans is provided not more than 1 year, means it is for less than 1 year. So loan repayable within 1 year is called as the short term loan. The rate of interest is higher than call loans and lower than medium term loan. So the rate of interest of the short term loan is the less as compared to the medium term loans and the long term loans. Now it is required by the businessman in order to fulfill their requirement of working capital. Means generally it is taken by the businessman to meet its working capital requirement. Okay, so an advances payable within 1 year is called short term loan. Generally small businessmen, farmers take this facility. Now medium term loan, these loans are provided by the commercial bank for the period from 1 year up to the 5 year, and the rate of interest charged by the bank is higher than short term loans and lower than the long term loans. Yes, medium term loan is provided by the commercial bank for the period of 1 year to 1 year अप टू द 5 ईयर मीन्स 1 साल से लेके मोर देन द 1 year to 5 years के लिए ये लोन प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, बैंक प्रोवाइड करती है. And the rate of interest which is charged on this loan, it is higher than the short term loan but lower than the long term loan. Okay, so the loan repayable within the 2 years to 5 year period is called as the medium term loan. Here I am telling you the 2 year because it is more than the 1 year. 1 साल से ज़्यादा के लिए जो लोन लिया जाता है वो शॉर्ट टर्म में कंसिडर नहीं होगा, वो मीडियम टर्म में कंसिडर होगा. सो मोर देन द 1 year मीन्स 2 साल के लिए या फिर 2 साल से 5 साल के बीच में जो भी लोन बैंक ग्रांट करती है इस टाइम पीरियड के लिए, दैट लोन इज नोन एज द मीडियम टर्म लोन. ओके, ना third one is the long term loan. Now repayable period, the repayable period of this loan is above 5 year. 5 साल के ऊपर की जो बैंक लोन ग्रांट करती है उस पीरियड के लिए, ओके, दैट लोन इज नोन एज द लॉन्ग टर्म लोन. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज रिटन. व्हेन कमर्शियल बैंक गिव लोन फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ मोर देन 5 year they are referred as long term loan. Yes, here loan repayable after 5 year is called as the long term loan, and it is taken by the business for the it is taken by the businessman for the growth and development of the business. Okay, यहाँ पे businessman इस लोन को लेते हैं for their growth and development of the business, for the research and development of their business. And the rate of interest which is charged by the commercial bank, it is the highest as compared to the short term loan and the medium term loan. Means the commercial bank charge the high rate of interest on the long term loan as compared to the other types of loan, and it is required for the growth and development of the business. Now repayable period of this loan is above 5 year. Loan is granted against the personal or collateral security, and the success of bank depends upon the lending money as loan. Okay, so today we have seen the 3 types of the loan. हमने देख लिया, फर्स्ट हमने देख लिया शॉर्ट टर्म लोन, सेकेंड मीडियम टर्म लोन एंड लॉन्ग टर्म लोन. ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द सब पॉइंट्स ऑफ द लेंडिंग. हमने लेंडिंग का सेकेंड पार्ट देखेंगे बिकॉज लेंडिंग इज़ द अनदर पॉइंट्स ऑफ द प्राइमरी फंक्शन. एडवांसेस हमने हमने इसके पहले हमने देख लिया है, लेंडिंग देखा हमने. अब लेंडिंग में हमने देख लिया लोन्स. इन द लेंडिंग वी हैव टू सी द एडवांसेस. ओके, बिकॉज प्राइमरी फंक्शंस में हमने एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट देख लिया था जो फर्स्ट पार्ट था, उसमें हमने बहुत सारे सब पॉइंट्स भी देखे. अब एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट के बाद दूसरा हमारा टाइप आता है लेंडिंग मनी. इन द लेंडिंग मनी वी हैव डन विद द लोन्स. इन द लोन वी हैव डन टुडे द शॉर्ट टर्म लोन, मीडियम टर्म लोन and long term loan. Now in the next video we will discuss about the advances. In there we will discuss about overdraft, cash credit and discounting bill. आज के लिए इतना ही. गुड बाय.